Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Drone FC is probably one of the most important components of your drone, responsible for the stability, responsiveness, and overall flight performance. Choosing the right flight controller can significantly impact your drone's capabilities, making it crucial to understand the key features and specifications before making a purchase. This in-depth review will cover everything you need to know to select the perfect flight controller for your needs, from beginner-friendly options to advanced controllers for experienced pilots. Number 5. Holy Stone HS440 Drone. It features a 1080p HD camera adjustable up to 90 degrees. Capture stunning aerial footage with its wide-angle lens, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy up to 20 minutes of flight time with its powerful modular battery. Explore more of your surroundings on a single charge. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport. Take it anywhere and explore without limitations. It offers simple operation with features like auto takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's perfect for beginners and kids. Fly with confidence thanks to safety features like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. It's designed for a smooth and enjoyable flight experience. With its versatile features and long flight time, it's the perfect tool to capture your adventures from a unique perspective. Let your imagination take flight. What we like. It boasts a high-quality camera and offers an impressive flight time. Its foldable design makes it ultra-portable. If you are a beginner or looking for ease of use and portability, this is the drone for you. What people say. 2 batteries means long flight times for practice. Controls quite responsive, good beginner drone. Durable construction, crashed it several times with no loss of props or anything but scratches. Number 4. Holy Stone Remote ID Module. This module ensures your drone is compliant with US FAA regulations. It eliminates the worry of violating any rules and keeps you flying legally. It's designed to work with various Holy Stone drones and other models on the market. Enjoy easy integration and worry-free operation. It includes overcharge, over-discharge, and low-temperature protection. Fly with confidence knowing it's built for safety and reliability. The FAA mandates remote ID for drones. This module helps you meet the March 16, 2024 deadline for compliance. This module simplifies FAA compliance. Enjoy your drone flights without the stress of regulatory concerns. What we like. This ensures your drone flights are legal and safe. It's compatible with various drone models. If FAA compliance is your priority, this module is a must-have. What people say. It's small, light and easy, enough to attach to the drone. The battery life was fine for flying, the unit worked as expected. With the new one, it was incredibly easy to set up with the app, the battery life is great as well, I haven't needed to charge it yet after quite a lot of use. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning, easy aerial photography. Take your creativity to new heights. Capture breathtaking 48MP photos and smooth 4K 60 frames per second video with its 1.2-inch CMOS sensor and 3-axis gimbal. High-performance quad-Bayer image sensor provides incredible HDR video. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, perfect for capturing epic shots. 3-directional obstacle sensing enhances safety and ease of use. It features intuitive shooting functions like Spotlight 2.0, ActiveTrack 3.0, and POI 3.0, making aerial photography easier than ever. Keep your subject in focus effortlessly. It's compatible with a wide range of iOS and Android devices, ensuring seamless connectivity and control. Check the DJI Fly app for a full list of compatible devices. The package includes the aircraft, DJI Smart Controller, 3 intelligent flight batteries, propellers, cables, a gimbal protector, charger, charging hub, power bank adapter, shoulder bag, ND filters, and more. Everything you need to get started. What we like. It captures stunning high-resolution photos and videos. Enjoy an extended flight time and smart features. If you need high-quality images and long flight times, this is a great option. What people say. The battery life is phenomenal. I typically only charge 1 or 2 batteries when I go to fly the drone. I never end up flying long enough to use all 3 batteries. This drone is impressively stable in the wind. I have flown it in some pretty strong wind gusts, and even while in the process of landing it will correct for even a strong wind gust. The smart controller is 1000% worth the money. I don't have to worry about attaching my phone to the controller or forcing my screen brightness up to max in the daylight, or my phone battery dying, or not being able to text while I'm flying. With the smart controller I can always see the screen clearly and easily. Number 2. DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo. Experience the thrill of flight with the DJI Air 2S. It's packed with features to make your aerial photography stunning. Capture breathtaking footage in 4K or even 5.4K resolution. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor ensures incredible image quality. With master shots, creating professional-looking videos is easier than ever. Just select a shot type, and it does the rest. It captures over 1 billion colors, bringing your videos to life with incredible detail and vibrancy. See every nuance in your footage. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge and a maximum video transmission range of 7.5 miles. Fly further and capture more. It senses obstacles in 4 directions, ensuring safe and reliable flights even in complex environments. Fly with confidence. What we like. This drone records incredibly detailed 5.4K video. The large sensor ensures superior image quality. Its obstacle avoidance feature enhances safety. If you are a professional videographer or enthusiast, this is a top choice. What people say. The automatic shots like the Pano shots and master shots makes capturing cinematic shots super easy. Large 1 sensor and included filters set the stage for numerous combinations of settings and filters to capture whatever it is you are aiming at. The camera quality is awesome, has a 1 sensor, flight time and response is awesome, and everything you would ever want in a drone is right here in this package. Number 1. SpeedyBee V3 F7 Flight Controller Stack. It boasts 33% faster wireless data transfer than its predecessor. Update the firmware wirelessly in under a minute. Installation is a breeze. It offers 2 methods, a plug-and-play side for easy connections and a side for custom soldering. This powerhouse delivers a real 50A output. Enjoy features like 128 kHz PWM, a CNC heat sink, and wireless motor direction change. Access your flight data quickly and easily. Simply connect your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to download in seconds. It supports up to 8 motors, includes built-in LEDs, and provides onboard battery life indicators. SpeedyBee app support is also available. For any issues, contact us at contact@speedybee.com. Please include order details, photos, and a video demonstrating the problem for efficient support. What we like. It offers wireless configuration and solder-free installation for easy setup. Access black-box data quickly for analysis. If you value convenience and ease of use, this flight controller is perfect for you. What people say. Rock solid, and the built-in Bluetooth is so great. And seriously, the battery voltage LED meter might seem hokey, but it has turned out to be incredibly convenient. Both have proven to be rock solid. No problems, easy to wire up and configure, solid performance. The SpeedyBee stack supporting Bluetooth config via their mobile app meant being able to waterproof the USB port to seal her up nice. Can still change any setting and update both FC and ESC firmware from the app over Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Huge pads to solder. Easy to set up in beta flight. Works with the SpeedyBee app. Very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.